apply this for... Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me? Hello, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of our Maganda ba ang Mura series. And ito na ata you guys, yung pinakamurang foundation stick. Na-feature ko to sa previous vlog ko. Nagpunta kami ni Mark sa SM and then I saw this and it was only 78. It is only 78 pesos. Look at that. Sobrang mura lang. Though, maliit lang siya. Para lang siyang concealer. This is from Shawill. Ito yung kanilang Style Thin and Perfect cover. Sa packaging niya, oh, that's good. They put the manufacturing date and expiration date. So, this one will expire. I'm not sure if you can see. 2019 yung expiration date niya. But yeah, it's on the packaging. I don't think I will keep the packaging. But yeah, the actual product looks like this. Akala ko talaga nung una, it's a concealer. Pero sabi ni ate, it is a foundation stick. I got mine in the shade number 2. So, sticker lang siya na gold yung print niya. Number 2, nabili ko to sa SMC side sa Watsons doon. And meron sila, sa nakita ko, 4 shades. And lahat sila light. Ito, light din siya. Pero ito yung nag-iisang merong yellow undertone. Merong mas darker dito, but hindi yellow yung undertone niya. And you guys know, kapag hindi yellow yung undertone, like, iba talaga yung nagiging itsura niya sa mukha ko, like, especially if it's grayish, pinkish, it just doesn't look good sa akin. So, kailangan ko talaga ng merong yellow undertones. And I'm having a hard time, I was gonna say, I'm having a hard time opening it, tapos na-open ko na siya. So, it's just a stick foundation that looks like that. Ano lang siya, 3.5 grams. Ganyan lang siya karami. Pero, again, 78 pesos. Kung meron siyang magandang coverage, then okay na siya, diba? Kasi you do not have to layer up. Let's check the claims. Sabi dito, flawless results. 94% said it helps foundation last longer. Wait, what? What? Are you a freaking primer? You guys! Sa how to use, apply the primer stick directly onto skin, then immediately apply foundation, blending evenly on the skin. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Oh my gosh. It's not a foundation. It's a freaking primer. This reminds me of that primer that I reviewed from Shawill as well na hindi ko nagustuhan. I'm not really into primers, but we're already here. So, I'm gonna review it. Bummer! Bakit sinabi ng sales lady na foundation stick siya? 97% notice improvement in the skin complexion. 94% said it increases foundation coverage. 97% said it enhances foundation's performance. 8-in-1 benefits. Lightens skin, tightens pores, oil control, long-lasting shine, reduce redness. Okay. We'll see. Smoother skin, more even tone, more radiant, clear, flawless skin. I will go ahead and apply it on one side of my face. Tapos, on the other side, hindi ko lalagyan ng primer. So, I'm gonna put primer on this side. Tapos, I will put a foundation over it. I'm gonna use, I will think about that. But, apply the primer stick directly onto skin. Then, immediately apply foundation. Okay. That's thick. Konti lang kasi primer lang pala to, hindi pala ano. Okay, gagamitan ko yung aking sponge. Pa-blend sa kanya. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Very thin layer lang yung nilagay ko. I forgot to tell you guys na marami akong mga bumps. I think it is because of the Maybelline Dream Velvet Foundation. Kasi after ko yung ginamit, meron ako na-notice ng mga bumps. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Di naman siya malagkit. It feels the same. Again, super thin layer lang yung nalagay natin. So, I will go ahead and get a foundation and put foundation on my face. Okay, so I will be using the Nichido foundation stick and see kung mas maganda siya tingnan on this side or on this side. Nung nireview natin to, maganda naman yung finish niya. Nag-oil up lang ako ng bongga dito. We'll see kung makokontrol niya yung oil kasi yan yung claim niya. Makokontrol niya daw yung oil. So, I will just apply it on both sides. Kaya pala puro light. Kasi hindi pala siya foundation. Like, how can you not know about that? If yan yung binibenta mo, bakit hindi mo alam? Kung ano yung binibenta mo, nakakaloka. Okay, so that's what one layer looks like. I will go ahead and apply it on this side and see kung merong kaibahan. Like, I don't think makikita natin yung kaibahan agad-agad. Siguro mamaya na kapag nagstay na longer yung foundation sa mukha natin and see kung control niya talaga yung oil. Konti lang yung nilagay ko na foundation stick ha. Hindi kagaya nung nireview ko siya, first impression review, dinamihan ko siya dun eh. You guys, para sa akin, it looks exactly the same. Yes, it looks exactly the same sa akin. So yung sabi niya sa claim niya na it increases foundation coverage, I don't think so. I still can see the same coverage na napro-provide yung Nichido. So yun lang. I will go ahead and apply my concealer and apply the rest of my makeup. Okay, so naglagay lang ako ng concealer at saka powder under my eyes and then my eyebrows as well. Parehong-pareho lang yung magkabilang side. Merong primer, walang primer. It looks exactly the same to me. Oil control, we'll see about that. Anyway, I will just go ahead and set my whole face with this powder into it. Oil control, oil-free powder. Lightly dab it on my face. Mamaya na ako magli-lipstick. But that's what it looks like right now. Again, still looks the same to me. Iba tong primer na to sa ibang primer na na-try ko eh. Kasi diba yung ibang primer na na-try ko, yung like mayroong silicone finish, like mayroong very soft na parang basta yung gano'n na finish. This one, hindi. Kasi it looks like a foundation stick. It feels like a foundation stick when you apply it. It is now 11:10 ng umaga. I will get back to you guys later for an update. Hi guys! It is now 3:26 ng hapon. Oh my gosh, malulubat na ako. And wala akong nakikitang ganun kaibahan sa kabila na mayroong primer tsaka sa kabila na walang primer. Meron akong konting na-notice. Meron akong ano dito. Nag-cake up siya dito, oh. Can you see that? There. Dito, wala. See? So, yung merong primer, nag-cake up yung foundation ko doon ng slight lang naman. And, hindi ako nag-oil up kasi it's raining. Kanina nga, diba, hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo or hindi ko alam kung naalala ko ng maayos. Basta kanina, when I was applying the primer, umuulan na, nag-start na umulan. Tapos hanggang ngayon, umuulan pa rin. So, hindi siya mainit. I'm not that oily, like both sides. Hindi ganun ka-oily. Yung nose ko lang. I'm not gonna blot para makita talaga natin kung okay siya mamaya, kasi 'di ba yung claim niya is it's supposed to control the oil, tapos it makes the foundation last longer daw. So we'll see. Yun yung napansin ko, nag-cake up siya. To think na super thin layer lang yung nalagay natin and thin layer lang din ng foundation, nag-cake up dito. Hindi naman siya nakikita kapag ganitong distance, but if you look closely, makikita mo na nag-cake up talaga siya dito. Pero yung shade niya, hindi naman siya naka-affect sa shade ng foundation talaga. Again, super thin layer lang din naman yung lagay natin. But yeah, it looks the same both sides. And update ko kayo mamaya. Tingnan natin mamaya kung merong kaibahan talaga yung dalawa. I am back! It is now 8:25 ng gabi. So matagal na siya sa mukha ko. Hindi ako nag-retouch at all. Again, you guys, hindi mainit at all today. Muulan actually. Hindi ako nag-blot at all. Kung ganyan lang ha, titingnan natin ng ganyan, it looks the same. It looks exactly the same. Nag-oil up sila pareho. Yung kaibahan lang sa kanila is dito, sa side na to, sa laugh line ko, nag-cake up siya. Dito hindi. And this is the side na mayroong primer. Ito yung side na walang primer. Para sa akin, hindi ko nagustuhan yung primer at all. Like, nakakadagdag lang siya ng product sa mukha. And you guys, if you look at it, pareho lang naman silang dalawa. Pareho silang nag-oil up. It will help your foundation last longer daw. It is the same. Parehong nandito pa rin yung foundation. Yes, it is cheap, but no, I just save your money. Bumili kayo ng bili nyo ng pagkain, magpakabusog kayo. Iba-iba naman tayo ng skin. Nagre-react yung skin natin iba-iba. So maybe it will work sa iba. Sa akin, honestly, hindi. Like, you guys can see, walang kaibahan. And that is it for this review. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in the next one tomorrow. Do not forget to hit